A hot question with a hard-to-find answer. If your workplace doesn't have a vaccine mandate, can you refuse to work alongside an unvaccinated colleague?
It is an important worker safety issue, but for the technical advice on how that plays out within an individual workplace, I refer people to WorkSafe BC.
WorkSafe refused to make anyone available for an interview and referred us to the Labor Minister. The Labor Minister pointed us back to WorkSafe.
The situation, will be, different from one to another. So they will be coming in if the worker and the employer is unable to resolve that situation.
Given the lack of clear guidance from public officials, we sought the expertise of two lawyers, and even they don't agree.
The answer is going to be no. You can't outright refuse to work with someone because they're unvaccinated, but what employers are obligated to do is they have to make sure that they're taking reasonable safety precautions, right? So masking, physical distancing.
It's going to depend on the workplace, and I would say yes. The challenge is if you're in the workplace as a vaccinated person and you have someone in that workplace who is unvaccinated, there's a much greater risk of infection to you as a vaccinated person.
So McLean believes that under the Workers' Compensation Act and regulations, a vaccinated staffer may well have a right to refuse that work environment as unsafe. Something the lawyers do agree on is this.
From a legal perspective, it would certainly be nice to have clear guidance.
Ultimately, time may resolve this issue. With more and more public organizations implementing vaccine mandates, it's expected a lot.
It would be nice to have clear guidance.
Ultimately, time may resolve this issue. With more and more public organizations implementing vaccine mandates, it's expected a lot more private ones will follow in the coming weeks. Jordan Armstrong, Global News.